All right, today we just have it's a Husqvarna. It's a it's an old 61, and we just had some race parts lying around the shop. Like we had like a velocity stack, that foam filter. So this kind of all these parts kind of gave us an excuse to build one of these saws, and we cut the top cover. We also have the original black top cover to go along with that. So, and this is a good saw. It's a full wrap handlebar, working chain brake, and we just ported the cylinder and we decked it. The cylinder's making a touch under 200 psi, and it runs good. It's a good running saw, and I will show that to you right now. Hey guys, thanks for watching.